Good morning, Nosegay. We the students of class 4G welcome our most honorable MD sir, respected principal ma'am and Pallavi ma'am, respected teachers, loving parents and my dear friends to our annual presentation on topic cleanliness is next to godliness. Today, we come together to showcase the talent, hard work, and dedication that make our school community truly special. Thank you for being part of a special occasion. Let's make the annual function a vibrant and unforgettable celebration together. Now, please stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memories, and guide me to do what's right. Amen. Be positive and be positive, then all our thoughts will become positive. A thought is necessary to make our life positive and also it refreshes our mind. So I would like to call Mehnoor to share thought of the day. Cleanliness is the key to a healthy and happy life. A clean environment leads to a clear mind and a positive outlook. Remember, a tidy space brings peace and calmness to your daily routine. So embrace cleanliness as your daily practice and watch how it transforms your life for the better. I repeat my thought. Cleanliness is the key to a healthy and happy life. A clean environment leads to a clear mind and a positive outlook. Remember, a tidy space brings peace and calmness to your daily routine. So embrace cleanliness as a daily practice and watch how it transforms your life for the better.
Now let's explore the magic of cleanliness through the poem. Students of my class are going to present the Hindi poem.
स्वच्छ भारत है अपना सपना, स्वच्छता की ओर कदम बढ़ाना, कूड़ा कचरा घर का अपना, गीला सूखा छान के रखना, गली मोहल्ला साफ रखना, शर्म न कर ये काम है अपना, अगर किसी ने कचरा फेंका रोक उसे न कर अनदेखा, स्वच्छ भारत है अपना सपना, स्वच्छता की ओर कदम बढ़ाना, प्लास्टिक का उपयोग न करना, कपड़े की बैग को बढ़ावा देना, शौचालय का प्रयोग करना, पर्यावरण प्रदूषण न करना, हमेशा साफ पानी पीना, बीमारियों से मुक्त है होना, स्वच्छ भारत है अपना सपना, स्वच्छता की ओर कदम बढ़ाना। धन्यवाद। Now get ready for an English poem that shows how being cleanliness is super important for feeling close to God. Cleanliness is super cool, like splashing in a sparkling pool. It's all about keeping things tidy, making our surroundings look mighty. Being clean is really neat. It's like a special treat. They say it's close to being godly, and that's something quite lovely. Pick up toys and make the bed. No more mess, no more greed. Wash your hands and brush your teeth. Keeping matters, looking concerned.
What is this, Sam? You did not even wash your hands. Look at your sister. She always washes her hands before and after meals.
I don't see why it matters, Mom. It's just a room. When I will play with the same toys again, then what is the need to keep them back?
Look at your sister's room. She always keeps her room clean and tidy.
Yes, Sam, you should keep your room neat and clean.
Mr. Johnson enters.
Now, both of you go and get ready for your school. And also, let's go to a picnic in the evening. You can also invite your friends.
Yay! Yay! Good idea. Scene 2. Scene transitions to the school where Mrs. Smith is discussing importance of cleanliness with the students. The teacher enters the class.
Good morning, ma'am. Come to class 4G.
Good morning, sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Remember, kids, cleanliness is next to godliness. Keeping our surrounding clean shows respect for ourselves and others. We should always keep our classroom clean and take care of our personal hygiene.
All the students listen carefully and picks up all the mess in the classroom.
Ma'am, we could always timely. We also wash our hands before and after meals.
Sam looks disinterested. The teacher leaves the class. Oh no, everyone is talking about the same thing, cleanliness. I really don't understand why it matters so much. Okay friends, listen, let's go on a picnic in the evening.
Okay.
The class gets over. After going home, they go on a picnic. They enjoy there and play with friends.
Okay, children, now come. Let's sit here and eat something.
Sam throws entire waste here and there.
Sam, please don't throw the wrappers. Now let's go home.
After having food, they start towards the house. Let's see who runs fast and reaches the entrance of the park. As they start running, Sam slips and falls because of the litter thrown by him. He starts crying as he gets hurt. Sorry mom, sorry dad, though you keep teaching me, I never listened. But now I got hurt because of myself. I am really sorry. I promise here, after I will listen to you and will never litter. I will also keep my room neat and clean. Sam picks up all the waste.
Very good, Sam. Always remember, cleanliness is important. It is responsibility of every individual to keep our surroundings clean.
Yes mom, I will keep my room neat and clean. They come back home. Now Sam keeps his room neat and clean, also arranges his toys properly. After that he understood importance of cleanliness.
My dear friends, we request all of you to take care of cleanliness of your class, school and surroundings. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Thank you.
Now to discuss the topic, some students of my class are coming on the stage for group discussion.
Cleanliness is next to godliness is most common and famous proverb which means maintaining cleanliness and thinking good. Bring a person more near to the God. Cleanliness is way to godliness and godliness is way to balance mind, soul and body. Basic cleanliness start from our own personal cleanliness and hygiene. To start with, we must wash hands regularly. Washing hands regularly keep germs and bacteria away. We should keep our body clean, brush teeth twice a day. We should cover our nose and mouth while sneezing and coughing. Personal hygiene also helps to protect you from getting infections such as stomach flu, cold flu, and COVID-19. Clean homes and streets make us feel positive and energetic. Being clean is very important for getting a good health and living a moral life. We should keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Due to increase in population, is becoming harder to maintain cleanliness in public places. I think our biggest obstacle is improper waste disposal. Despite the installation of garbage bins, littering is common. Littering is a big problem. It ruins the beauty of public places and also causes serious threat to public health. Garbage littering in public places is often a source of diseases as it attracts flies and mosquitoes. Dirty environment causes various diseases like dengue, malaria, typhoid. Also, germs and bacteria love to stay in dirty surroundings. By cleaning our environment, we can save ourselves from falling sick. Another major problem is lack of separation of waste. Waste segregation is the division of waste into dry and wet. By this method of segregation, available waste can be sorted for recycling and reusing, such as plastic, paper, rubber, bottle, glass, etc. Recycling provides many benefits to our environment. By recycling our materials, we create a healthiest planet for ourselves and future generations. A Clean India campaign called Swachh Bharat Abhiyan has been run by the Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in order to maintain the cleanliness in surroundings and make India a clean India. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan aims to create a cleaner and healthier India by encouraging people to maintain cleanliness in their surroundings.
This campaign by our government proves to be success as it addresses the need for individuals to take responsibility for the cleanliness of their surroundings.
Yes, I also agree to it. The government alone cannot succeed without the efforts of its citizens. Therefore, I believe that students like us should also participate and make India clean. Cleanliness is not only personal hygiene, but also we should keep our homes, schools, and communities clean.
By practicing cleanliness, we show respect. By practicing cleanliness, we show respect for self, others, and the spaces we inhabit.
Cleanliness promotes mental clarity and boosts our self-confidence. Let's join hands and make Swachh Bharat a reality by taking responsibility for our own cleanliness and inspiring others to do the same. Thank you.
Dance is a hidden language of the soul. Now some students of my class are coming on the stage for a classical dance.
for an instrumental performance.
Music is a thing that can divert our mind. It pushes us from the world of confusion to the world of joy. Now some students of my class are coming forward to present a beautiful Hindi song. Music is the divine way to tell beautiful, poetic things to the heart. Now some students are coming on the stage for an English song. Cleaning up is fun. Cleaning up is good. Cleaning up is necessary. Cleaning up is for you. So better get started and better get it done. Sing along a merry song to make it more fun. Room and mop or with your beautiful hands. Get on with the
अब उठो, देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है, अब थान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है। स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी है, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी है।
दम दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
अब उठो, देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब उठो, देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको।
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर,
बस्ती बस्ती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
जागे जागे स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागे, जागे ज्योत जागे।
जगमग जगमग सी ज्योत जागी रे।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागे, दम 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 दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा,
फिर देखना तुम,
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है।
हर दिशा दिशा का मुखड़ा छप से होना है।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागे, जागे ज्योत जागे।
ओ स्वच्छता की परछाई आ गई रे।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागे, दम 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 दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
बहुत हुआ, अब मिलकर करते हैं इस कचरे को साफ, बढ़ाते हैं सहायता के हाथ और करते हैं इस गंदगी का सर्वनाश।
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। होगी स्वच्छता चारों ओर, होगी स्वच्छता चारों ओर, होगी स्वच्छता चारों ओर एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, होगी स्वच्छता चारों